Hello friends, and welcome back. In today's video we're going to review an amazing little gadget, the Mini Wireless RGB Keyboard. This compact device is not only stylish but also highly functional, perfect for gaming, media, and everyday use. Let's begin with the design. The keyboard is extremely compact and lightweight, which makes it easy to carry in your bag or even your pocket. Despite the small size, the keys are soft, comfortable, and respond instantly with a light press, giving you a smooth typing experience. One of the biggest highlights of this keyboard is the RGB backlighting. The moment you turn it on, beautiful colorful lights start to glow. You can choose different modes such as breathing effect, rainbow effect, or static colors. For gamers, this lighting creates a dynamic and immersive atmosphere that feels truly premium. Now let's talk about connectivity. This keyboard is fully wireless and connects instantly to mobile phones, laptops, or PCs using Bluetooth. It also comes with a tiny USB receiver that you can plug into any computer, TV box, or smart TV for instant pairing. Battery life is impressive as well. With a single full charge, the keyboard lasts for days. If you reduce or switch off the RGB lights, the battery runs even longer. Charging is quick and easy thanks to the modern USB Type-C port included. This mini wireless RGB keyboard is not only great for gaming, but also for professional tasks like coding, editing documents, or media browsing. Its small size, wireless convenience, and attractive RGB lighting make it an all-rounder device. Finally, if you're looking for a keyboard that's smart, portable, and functional, this mini wireless RGB keyboard is the perfect choice. It offers great value for money with modern features and stylish looks. I hope you enjoyed this review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech videos. Thanks for watching, see you next time.